market. If you don't look at turnover, you'll be confused for 10 years. So what is the turnover rate? Let's take a simple example.
If the number of circulating shares of a stock is 10,000,
And the trading volume is 1,000 shares. So the turnover rate today is 1,000 divided by 10, which is 10%. This means that 10% of the circulating shares were traded. The higher the turnover rate, it means that the more active the trading of this stock is in the market, the higher the participation of both parties. Low turnover rate, it means the market is not interested in the stock. And light trading,
we often see the data.
we often see the data of turnover rate, such as 0.26, 1.64%, 5.8%, 9.76%, 10.23%, 20.54%, or even 54.81%. What are the reference meanings of these data? Next, we will use a chart to show it. When the turnover rate is less than 1%, it indicates low trading. The market is very inactive, and no main force pays attention. When the turnover rate is between 1 and 3%, the stock's activity is moderate, which belongs to normal range. When the turnover rate is between 3 and 5, it means active trading. There are more investors start to pay attention to or trade this stock. When the turnover rate is between 5 and 8%, the stock is very active. It's intervened. Hot theme stocks have obvious profit effect. When the turnover rate is between 8 and 15, with high volume, it may be that the stock enters a strong rising period. Many investors are actively buying and selling when the turnover rate is over 15%. The stock is very popular. It may be that the main funds are quietly shipping. If the stock price is sideways at a high level, exceeds 25%, it often indicates that the main force is shipping. If this situation occurs, the stock price is likely to fall sharply or even limit down, so we must give up the operation. Stop loss in time. Of course, the performance of the turnover rate in the early stage usually exceeds 20%. This shows that the main force has grabbed enough chips. The trading volume will remain high, but the stock price will not hit a new low, but instead there will be consecutive bear Yanxian. This shows that the high turnover rate in the IPO is the main force's building position. After the main force gets enough chips, the main rise market will start.